Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today I received an Obsessed Garage package. Just right over here. And I just wanted to open it up and talk a little bit about it. So it's been a little bit since I've recorded any videos. I have to go through and edit a bunch. I have a ton that I've recorded but haven't released yet. So what I have here are more Pressol bottles. So I believe I ordered 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the 500 ml household Pressol bottles. And they work really well. I think they look good on the shelf. I've started making a couple labels for them, and I'll post a video on that separately, but you can see I made a Tarex label because I was having trouble. The OG labels are really nice, but they don't stick to certain bottles for some reason. And these I made with a Cricut, so I made an interior cleaner. I made a Tarex because those two are both having problems sticking. And I've started making a couple labels for products that Obsessed Garage doesn't have labels for. So I made one for bug remover. I made one for a couple other things. So I will, I'll show that process in another video, and I'll talk about the, you know, how to attach them. But I've been very happy with the Pressol bottles. They work really well. There are a couple of chemicals that do tend to eat the bottles or eat the tips. Brake Buster is one of them, which I switched to a Mirelex sprayer for, a pump sprayer. And I would say the other one is APC, the all-purpose cleaner. I did have a tip fail on one of those, so I just switched it to the commercial head, which is supposed to be acid resistant or whatever, and that seems to be working just fine. So you can get different heads for these. They do have an industrial head, they call it. And I did also today pick up a bottle of Metallic Cut. I don't have an immediate need for, but it's something that Obsessed Garage recently started carrying, and I do like to have products on hand for when something comes up that I might need them. You know, I never needed to worry about polishing glass, but I got some glass polish, PNS, and Clarity Cream is the product, and I used it on the Scion this weekend because there was something stuck to the glass, and it worked really well. So. I do like to have, you know, kind of some stuff on hand that would be more specialty in case something comes up where I need it. I don't have to wait a week for something to come in from somewhere or try to find it locally. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.